On November 6, 2023, the MLS area field will be repurposed and become unavailable in search and listing input. MLS areas were defined to give agents the ability to target specific regions when searching for listings. Over the years, MLS areas have become outdated. Options such as city, zip code, and map are better ways to perform searches. The map function defines search boundaries as both comfortable and more precise than MLS areas. To prepare for this upcoming change, avoid using MLS area in your saved searches. Instead, use the map search or search by city or zip codes. If you have any auto email notifications set up for clients, please update them by removing all inputs in area, then add values in city, zip code, or map search. Check out our instructional videos on map searches in the link below, or register for upcoming training classes at www.bridgemls.com/events. For more information, please contact us at support@bridgemls.com.